Indian troops, in their continued acts of state terrorism, martyred 11 Kashmiris, including 6 teenagers, during the last month of January in occupied Kashmir. 8 of the victims, including elderly couple, died due to water contamination caused by the Indian Army in the Budal village of the Rajouri, a grim reminder of the brutal tactics employed by the occupation forces to suppress the Kashmiris. All parties Hurriyat Conference has called upon the India and Pakistan to engage in a meaningful dialogue for the resolution of the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the United Nations resolutions. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued from Srinagar, stressed that it is the moral and the legal responsibility of the UN Secretary General to address the 78-year-old unresolved dispute. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Mirwais Umar Farooq, has emphasized that the return of the Kashmiri Pandits is a humanitarian issue and should not be politicized or linked to the broader Kashmir dispute. Several landmine blasts have occurred at 2 separate places near the line of control in the Poonch district today. The explosions occurred when a fire broke out in the Dhari Dabsi forest in the Mender and the Sona Gali in the Mankot sectors of the district. Indian police have detained 3 persons under draconian the Public Safety Act in the Kathua district. One of the detainees has been identified as Muhammad Rafiq, a resident of the Gharmalti in the Kathua district. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, led by the incarcerated senior APHC leader Shabir Ahmed Shah, has called on the international community to play a crucial role in stopping the ongoing bloodshed and the human rights violations in the occupied Kashmir. In a statement issued in Srinagar, DFP spokesperson Advocate Arshad Iqbal, while referring to the martyrdom of the 2 Kashmiri youth by the Indian troops in the Poonch area, stated that it was deeply unfortunate that the innocent civilians were being slaughtered by the occupation forces.